Hi friends, welcome back. This video is for showing you how to replace a battery on Smartron SRT. So this is a replacement battery I have, and what you need is just a simple screwdriver to remove those tiny screws. So let's start, and this one is USB subboard. Let's remove the case and then remove the back panel, which is very easy. And once we remove it, I'll show you the screws which you need to remove. Also remove your SIM card out of the way, and then you see these are the screws. I did repaired its Bluetooth, I'm sorry, not a Bluetooth but a speaker, and a few screws are missing by the person. So use this and just remove. I'll skip that part. So after removing, you can see, and this two, bottom one, this one and the previous one, just keep that aside from other screws because they are a bit small and very tiny. So after removing all screws, you just need to open it. It's very easy. And there is the most important and difficult part is to remove this fingerprint sensor from the motherboard. So you see that small tiny thing, so you need to put your finger properly and unattach it and detach it from there. And once it is done, you'll see this is a small connecting part, and this is on the back panel. This goes in that small part, and you need to just clip it there. So removing and again doing that is very difficult, so do it with some help of technician. And this is how you remove the battery. Very simple. Unplug from the motherboard and take it out. And I'm also going to replace that with this one. Hope that will resolve my issue of charging the phone without restarting the phone. So you just put the new battery in and just make sure it is properly, and just apply a bit pressure, make sure it's properly in place and connected. This is a volume up key was issue, so the technician did some kind of jugaad, and you can see some pink wires. I'm not sure what it does, but it worked for me. So this is how you do this replacement of battery. Then this part is the most difficult, and I'm sorry, it's not very easy, so make sure you do it with some help of technician. And then you just put that cover on it and screw it up. And once you screw it up, it should look like this. I have few extra screws, so I did that, and the missing screws were replaced. And put your SIM card in. Very easy. Yeah, very easy. Sometimes if your screws are not properly done, so it does take some time. And then put the back panel, and you're done. It's very easy thing, and within 5 to 10 minutes, if you do it properly, you can do it. Just make sure that that fingerprint thing is very difficult. Now let me show you how to replace that type C subboard. So this is the type C subboard, which may be causing my device a problem. So for charging, let's do it. And you just need to remove two connecting parts. One is that cable, which is antenna cable, and other one is that plugged in. So unplug that, and you can easily remove this small part, and now replace it with a new one. Take your time to keep it properly placed. So you can see it is properly placed with the connector for charging, and then very easy, just plug in that small connection there and this wire here, and you're done. So this is how everything looks. This is a back panel, not back panel, the upper part of after removing this we can see the motherboard and everything else. And this is how your phone looks after you open it. And let's check the battery, how much charge it has, and does it turn on the phone. So we have charged, and this is cool back look. Now okay, the phone is booting up, and you can see there is only 1%. Okay, it was completely drained battery. So that's it. Thank you for watching.